The plant-based dish for summer, which I'm gonna be cooking, is Polish beetroot gazpacho. Use the whole plant. It's probably most common cold soup eaten in Poland during summer. Refreshing, beautiful, vibrant colors. Beautiful ingredient from the future, fifth to least. It's a baby beetroot, so we've got the lovely stalks and leaves and not much beetroot, as you can see on it. I'm gonna make a little broth out of a beetroot itself and the stalks, and then finish with the leaves. There's as much flavor and color in the stalks as in the bulb itself. Then the leaves I'm gonna add right in the end, because obviously they will disintegrate much quicker than the stalk and the root. A little bit seasoning, cover it with the veg stock, bring it up to the boil and sort of cook for about 15-20 minutes. So our beetroot broth is, look at that amazing color. Make sure you chill it well. The buttermilk goes in and the sour cream. It's a cold soup, so we want that freshness of it. It's obviously eaten on a hot day. A little bit more vinegar, some garlic, chopped dill. Really beautiful color. Now I'm preparing a garnish, radish, cucumber, some spring onions, hard-boiled eggs, and some new potatoes. You can see it's all very summery, refreshing. You have it baby beetroot gazpacho using all the leaves and stalks, so there's no waste. Something delicious for summer.